Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to check if your earbuds have the latest software version. So open Huawei AirLife application, and the best part that you can check it only on Android. So on your iPhone, you can install and set up this application, what's called Huawei AirLife. It will be the same application that this one, but on your iPhone you cannot add them to the application. You can pair them with the phone, but not add it to the application, only on Android. So after you open the application, you should be in the main menu, but if you are in the headphones menu, just go back using this arrow at the left top. Then click at the four dots at the right top, and right here we have the line device updates. Tap at this line, it check for updates for all devices what you add to this application, and now it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, right here in this window you can update it. Next step is to check if you have the latest version on your phone. So on your Android, open settings, then go to the system. At least on stock Android we have it in the system, and right here we have software updates. Tap at this line, it check for updates and update this version if you haven't the latest one. Now on the iPhone, just give me a second to swap. On the iPhone, you need to open settings and then go to the general settings. And right here we have software update, so tap at this line and check for updates and update if you haven't the latest version. And now let's return to Android. So, if both of these methods didn't help you, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone, and then you just open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and you need to check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Open the lid if you close it, and do not remove your earbuds from your charging case. At the right side, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold at the connectional button until you will see that the LED light on the front side blinking red. So press and hold. Firstly, it starts blinking white. It's okay, don't worry, we just enter to prank mode. Just keep holding this button. We need to wait until the red LED light starts blinking. Okay, here we go. You can release your finger. Then we should reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and firstly we need to reconnect them with the phone. If I try to reconnect them, I cannot. So we need to remove it. But if you try to reconnect them on iOS, it will show you that you need to, it will ask you to remove them, and at the bottom you will see the button Forget Device. You can tap at this button, but we need to click at the information icon or settings icon near to the headphones. Then click Forget button or Forget Device button or Forget this device or Unpair or Remove or something else, and Forget Device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have Refresh button, tap at this button. But I need to click at the Pair New Device button, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. You know it by the LED light was blinking white, and you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and if you have Android, click Pair. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!